To fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu and try to search for your X app. So when you find your X app, tap on it for some while and you're going to find this. So when this pop up, what you have to do is to tap over here. So tap on it and you're going to be in app info when you tap on it. After that, tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then after that, you tap on the background data. You have to make sure it's turned on. Now go back and also tap on notifications. Now make sure the show notification is the good on. Turn it on. Now go back and tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. Then go back and tap on storage and cache. Then you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and search for Twitter or X. So when you search for Twitter or X, then you tap on it. Then after that, make sure you update it. So tap on this update to update your X app. So after updating your X app, what you have to do is to restart or reboot your device. Don't don't tap on open after updating it. What you have to do is to tap on the power button